Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create a new folder on your home screen, you could just hold the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way to create a new home screen folder. Or also you could just hold for a while your home screen with a finger and then just to select a couple of apps, click here, create a folder, and that's it. So we got two different ways how we could do that. To rename the folder, you should click once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. To move folders on the screen, you should just hold and drag it like the applications. If you want to remove the application from the home screen, from the folder to home screen, hold it and drag it by this way. If you want to remove the a couple of apps or just remove a folder, only the folder, to stay with this application on the home screen, you should just hold it and tap to remove folder icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.